Okay, so we got a PS2 this time. And this one has a laser that won't focus. I can see it clearly when I'm investigating how it's trying to read the DVD. So it's a pretty easy fix. You have to be a bit careful. I've fixed a lot of these machines by doing this procedure that you see here. So first you need to remove the plastic that is like protecting the focus mechanism and the lens and the whole laser package. And you can see the thin wires here. They're very delicate, and you actually will have to lift the laser up a bit with a Q-tip or something else that is appropriate, because you need to clean the lens underneath the I mean, you have to clean the laser underneath the lens. So we start by cleaning the lens a bit. It's the easy part. And now we're going to be very careful and try to lift the whole focus mechanism without destroying the thin wires. I'm using a thin screwdriver, and you can see the lens here. I'm being very careful. And you can see the whole package is moving up and down. Now let's perform some initial checks here. Let's close the tray. You can see the laser is actually moving up and down, so the focusing is working. You can actually see the you could see the laser there on the camera if you look carefully. So it seems to be okay. Let's put the cover back on so we don't damage our poor eyes with this laser from space. It's a very powerful laser. I'm joking. Closing and spinning. That's a good sign. Oh, it looks good. It's reading. There we go. You hear? It's reading. Reading the disc. And Mortal Kombat.